Hello friends, today I am going to make capsicum pickle. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Cut out the capsicum cap as shown. Cut the capsicum in 2 halves and take out the seeds as shown. Now dice the capsicum as shown. Repeat the process with the rest of the capsicums. Eating capsicum can benefit you in many ways, like glowing skin, keeps your heart healthy, keeps you safe from diseases, and many more. Now add all the diced capsicum in a bowl. Add salt to taste. Add red chili powder. Mix well. Add vinegar. Mix well. Wow! This capsicum pickle looks amazing. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and food. Thank you.